Tired of your Wix website feeling a bit boxed in? Then prepare to unleash the full potential of your site, because today we're diving into Velo by Wix, the platform that transforms your website from simple to spectacular. First, let's understand where Velo fits in. You're likely familiar with the standard Wix editor, which is fantastic for drag-and-drop website creation. Velo supercharges that by giving you access to the underlying code to activate it. Look for Dev Mode or Velo Dev Mode in your Wix settings, usually found near the top menu. Click to enable it. Boom! This unlocks a whole new world. You'll see a code panel appear at the bottom of your screen, along with options to access databases and APIs. Velo isn't about throwing away the visual editor. It works alongside it as you add elements or change properties. Velo automatically generates the code behind the scenes. But the real power comes from your ability to add custom functionality. Want to create dynamic pages based on user input? Need a custom form that integrates with a third-party service? Velo makes it possible. Don't worry, you don't have to be a coding genius to get started. Wix provides extensive documentation and examples to guide you through the process. The API reference will be your best friend here. With Velo, you can build truly unique, interactive experiences that set your Wix website apart from the crowd. So, ditch the limitations and unleash your website's potential with Velo. Now, go build something amazing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more web development tips. #WixVelo #web development.